This is the WorkSharp Micro Sharpener and Knife Tool. Ultralight, compact, sharpener and hone that fits in your pocket, bag, or pack. The knife tool provides a 1/4 inch driver, and we provide Torx bits in sizes 6, 8, and 10. Here's how I like to use it to sharpen. Angle guides at 25 degrees. Simply align the knife and draw across the diamond for sharpening. For longer blades, you can take it in sections. Honing, same steps. Align, draw across, and if you need to, take it in sections for longer blades. Or you can bring the sharpener to the knife. For that, I'm gonna switch the knife and the sharpener. So I have the sharpener in my dominant hand. Still using the angle guide, I bring the sharpener to the blade and simply match that angle all the way down the knife. When it comes to the knife tool, the Torx bits provided fit almost any everyday carry out there. I like to make an adjustment when it comes to my pivot collar and getting that action to be as smooth as possible. Right now, it's a little stiffer than I'd like, so to address that, it's real simple. Find the correct Torx. Looks like this one's a 10. Insert it into the bit driver. And then very small adjustments will get that action performing much smoother in a way that you like, and you can have that fidgety knife you love. The Micro's a great everyday carry sharpener for touch-ups in the field and those tools when you need them. For something with a little more horsepower, you're probably gonna wanna look at something like our bench stone to be able to establish that edge, and then just use the Micro to keep that edge as you're going through your day. One last tip to leave you guys with: most of your everyday carry knives only use 2 of the Torx bit sizes. So if you'd like, you can take one of these Torx bits away and add in whatever bit you'd like, say a flathead screwdriver. Then you can create the custom assortment that you like to have on you at all times when you need it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something. For even more content on sharpening, check out our weekly YouTube channel or follow us on Instagram.